Students, our next topic is Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law is an experimental law predicted by Biot and Savart. This law is also called Laplace law. Biot-Savart law gives magnetic field induction at a point due to small current element. Small current element is a small part of current carrying conductor. Let us consider a small current element AB of length dl of conductor xy which is carrying a current I. Let r vector is the position vector of point P with respect to current element idl vector. Current element is product of current and length of small element, and its direction is along tangent to the element in the direction of current. Current element is the product of current and length of small element, and its direction is along tangent to the small element in the direction of current. Therefore, let theta is the angle between current element ideal vector and r vector. According to Biot-Savart law, magnitude of magnetic field induction dB at a point P due to this small current element. This depends upon following factors. First, dB is directly proportional to I. Second, dB is directly proportional to dl. dl is the length of this small element. dB is directly proportional to sine theta, and dB is inversely proportional to r square. R is the distance between current element and point P. Combining these factors, we get dB is proportional to ideal sine theta upon r square. Ideal sine theta upon r square, or dB is equal to k ideal sine theta upon r square, where k is a constant of proportionality whose value depends upon system of units chosen for measurement of various quantities and also on the medium between point P and current element. If there is a free space between point P and current element, then in SI system k is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi, and in CGS system k is equal to 1. Therefore, in SI system dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sine theta upon r square. Here mu naught is absolute magnetic permeability of free space, and value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 Weber per ampere per meter. In CGS system k is equal to 1, therefore dB is equal to ideal sine theta upon r square. In vector form, this equation can be written as mu naught upon 4 pi I dl vector cross r vector upon r cube, because as dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square, इसको r से गुणा कर देंगे, r से भाग कर देंगे, तो ये ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा dl sin theta गुणा में r, इसको mu naught upon 4 pi I ऐसे dl गुणा में sin theta गुणा में r होता है dl वेक्टर क्रॉस r वेक्टर, और नीचे क्या हो जाएगा r क्यूब. अब हम इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं dB वेक्टर, ये तो मैग्नीट्यूड था, अब फुल in vector form this will be dB vector is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl vector cross r vector upon r. The direction of dB is given by right hand screw rule or right hand rule. The direction of dB is perpendicular to the plane containing dl and r vector and directed inwards, because the direction of dB vector is direction of dl vector cross r vector. Direction of dl vector cross r vector is given by right hand rule. According to right hand rule, if we curl the fingers of our right hand in the direction from first vector to second vector, dl vector to r vector, then direction of thumb, this gives us the direction of dl vector cross r vector and hence dB vector. If point P is on the left hand side, then dl to r, this direction of finger will be this, and direction of dB will be along the thumb, which will be along perpendicularly outward. If point P is on the left hand side, then dB will be perpendicular to the plane containing dl and r, directed outwards. Now, magnetic field induction at P due to current through entire wire, this will be integration of dB. Therefore, this will be mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sine theta upon r square, its integration. This was Biot-Savart's law. Now, some important features of Biot-Savart's law is Some important features of Biot-Savart law. This law is valid for symmetrical current distribution. This law is applicable only to very small length conductor carrying current. This law cannot be verified experimentally easily, as the current carrying conductor of very small length cannot be obtained practically. If theta is equal to 0 or theta is 180, that is, if point P lies on the axis of linear conductor, then dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi IDL. साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, साइन थीटा की जगह 0 रखें या थीटा की जगह 180 रखें तो साइन थीटा 0 हो जाएगा, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, dB is equal to 0. This means magnetic field at a point on the current carrying conductor is 0. If theta is equal to 90 degree, if point P lies at a position which is perpendicular with respect to current element, then dB is equal to mu naught IDL upon 4 pi r square, which is maximum.